So this is half of the anvil that's been roughed into shape. I've used a LPG oxy torch to do a bulk of the cutting. So I've taken out at the back of it the hoop section, and I've cut that out with the grinder because that's where I'm going to weld into place a piece of square steel that's going to be for the hardy hole. Taking out the front that's going to go underneath the horn. As you can see, it made an awful mess of that diagonal part of the horn. So when I've got the second piece cut to shape, welded together, there's going to be an awful lot of welding and grinding to shape them back into spec. It's my first time using the oxy torch, so it's yeah, looks awful. That's standard. When it's all said and done, and I've cleaned up these inside faces, I'll plate them with steel between it and the other piece on this side, so that I can then do the lead pour that's going to go inside it to stiffen the whole thing up and hopefully make it not ring like a bell.